Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, right? Yes, we are the class now. Fine. And what is our subject? Science. Yes. Do you remember the previous class what we have discussed? Yes, we have discussed about the cultivation, how the crops are growing. What is meant by cultivation? Yes, the movement from the seed to the harvesting is called nothing but the cultivation. Means how the seeds are growing into a new plant, and from the new plants we are getting something food items like the cereals, grains, fruits, nuts, all these things. From the seed to the end of the process, that type of the process is called as the cultivation, which we have learned in the previous class. And they are the steps. We are having the steps in cultivation. What type of steps we are having? Yes, first of all, first step is the ploughing. What is the use of the ploughing here? Yes, we have to loosen the soil and helps the soil to absorb the water, minerals, and all these things. Why the soil has to absorb? Because soil is going to provide all this to the seed. So first one is the ploughing. What about the second one? Yes, sowing the seeds. The second one is the sowing the seeds. In the, how we can sow the seeds? Yes, we can sow with the help of our hands or with the help of the machines. We can do both, either with our hands or with the machines. And third one, what we have learned, third one, yes. What is the third one? Harvesting. First is completed. Then third one is the manuring. What we have to do? How we are going to give manure for the plant? Yes, in the traditional method or in the modern method. Traditional method means we can prepare our own compost, our own manures in our houses. And what about the next one here? Yes, fourth one is the weeding. We have to take out the different types of what we can waste plants. What are the waste plants? Which are growing for the compete between main crop. What is the main crop here? Suppose if we are going for the wheat, or if we are growing jowar, or if we are growing rice, anything. Whatever we are growing, it is called our main crop. Whichever the plants which we have not planted, which we have not sown, those are called as weed. We have to remove those plants because we have to give more amount of water, sunlight, all these things for our main plant. Okay, next one is the harvesting. What we have to do in the harvesting? Yes, for each and every crop we are having something special. At the end, from the starting to the end, the main crop, when the crop has got maturity, means all the seeds are grown into plants, and those plants are going to give the fruits, the seeds, the cereals. At that condition, we are going to cut the crop. That type of cutting is called as the harvesting. We have all harvesting can be done in the two methods. One is the traditional methods. We can cut with the help of our hands. Or next one, what we can do with the help of machines also, we can cut it. These are the two types of method for each and every type of a stage we are going to use. What are those two? Traditional and the modern for everything. And next one today we are going to start a new topic, that is the types of crops. Types of crops. Okay. We have seen today about the crop. What is meant by crop we have seen, and what is meant by crop here? Yes, growing the plants in a particular area or particular place which are useful for us is called as a crop. Now here we are going to know about the types of crops. What type of crops will be there normally? Yes, wheat, jowar, next mustard, corn, all these type of crops. Then types of crops is depend according to the seasons. How we can depend? Yes, according to the seasons, types of crops can be divided. What types of seasons are there mainly for us? Yes, Kharif season, and next one is the Rabi season. Rabi season. Next, some of the plants will grow both seasons. We will see what is made by Kharif season, what is made by Rabi season, and which plants are going to be sown in the both the seasons. We have seen. What we have seen, what is the word here? First word is the Kharif. What is the second word here? Rabi. Where do we get this type of word? From which language? Either of the Kharif or Rabi, we got from the Arabic language. Where we got it? Arabic language. From which language we got this word? Kharif as well as Rabi? Yes, we got from the Arabic language. What is the meaning of the Kharif? Yes, it is meaning of the rain. Means some plants which grow in the rainy season or called as the Kharif plants. What we got the yes? It is from the Arabic language. Mostly they have taken the word Kharif and Rabi. Now in India also we are using the same word Kharif season, Rabi season, and the both the seasons we can see. But we are not telling that we are going to cultivate the plants in rainy season or summer season. Like that we are not doing. Why? Because there is a particular word for rainy season as well as for summer season. Those are classified as Kharif season and Rabi season. Now we will see the Kharif season. The crops which are sown in rainy season. When this type of crops will be sown? In rainy season. In which season? In rainy season. Especially in the rainy season, which crops are sown? Those are called as Kharif crops. Okay. In the rainy season and the harvested in winter. And when they are going to, they have sown. First of all, sowing process or the sown in rainy season, but they are harvested in winter season. When they are going to harvest in winter season. When we are going to harvest. Yes. We are going to harvest the crop in winter season. When we are going to sow the crop in rainy season. When we are going to harvest the seed crop, yes, in a winter season. Here we got the two types of season. Plants which are or the crop which are growing in the rainy season and continue for the winter season or called Kharif season plants or called Kharif season plants. When we are going to sow the plants? Yes, in rainy season, especially in the rainy season. And when we are going to harvest in winter season. They are usually sown in June or July. When the plants are going to sow here? June or July. And next harvested in October or November. October or November. Yes. Here are the two types we can say. June or July, next October or September. Here, this is the sowing time. This one, sowing time. What is this one? Harvesting time. Harvesting time. Here, when the process has started in the rainy season. When is the rainy season? In the June or July, it is the starting season of rains. So it is called as a rainy season. In rainy season, we can say the crops are growing mostly like cereals, grains, all types of they will be growing. Which season, which type of the months we are having? In the June or July, we are going to start a crop. We are going to cultivate a crop. That type of crop is called as a Kharif season crop. And next one in which season? June, July is come under rainy season. And what type of months? Which months are there? June or July. And next, when we are going to harvest the plants or the harvest the crop? In winter season. And what are the months here? October or November. At that time, we are going to harvest the crop. Total crop we are going to harvest. What are the examples here? Maize. Examples. Examples. Maize. Yes. Here are the different types of crops. What are they? Maize, cotton, soybean, groundnut. Yes, different types of crops. What are the crops here? Some crops like maize, cotton, soybean, groundnut, and cotton are the different types of the plants or the crops which are going to cultivate, especially in the Kharif season. Why they are cultivating in Kharif season? Because these type of plants need more and more water. In the first chapter, we have discussed about Each and every plant needs more water, sunlight, temperature, all these things. Yes, we have divided the plants in the harvesting time also. Sorry, irrigation. In the irrigation last class we have learned what is meant by irrigation. Yes, watering the crops. Yes, in the crops what we have, some crops will need less water, some crops will need heavy water. So that which crops need more and more water, those crops or those kind of plants can be grown only in rainy season. When they are going to sow? Yes, in rainy season. What are those plants or what are those crops? Yes, first one is the maize. What is the second one here? Cotton. Third one, soya bean, and fourth one, groundnut. These are the four types of crops which are mostly grown in kharif season. Why they are growing? Because they need mostly water. And which season they are going to grow sown or going to be grown? Yes, in rainy season. One second. Kharif crops. The crops which are sown in rainy season and harvested in winter season are called Kharif crops. They are usually sown in the time of October. They are usually sown in the time of June or July and get harvested in the October or November. Example like maize, paddy, all these things. Maize, paddy, cotton, soya bean, ground. All these are the examples of a Kharif season plants. And what about the Rabi season here? Yes. From which word Rabi season has came? What is the meaning of the Rabi? Here the Rabi has came from the Arabic word. What is meant by Rabi? Means here the crops are grown in winter season. When they are going to sow? Yes, in winter season. Now which crop has completed harvesting? Yes. Here the Kharif season plants or the crops are harvested at the time of winter season. When they are started in rainy season. But here in the Rabi season, we are going to start a new crop in winter season at that time. Next, usually winter season, and they are going to harvest it at the time of the summer, or people say autumn. Now they are going to start in winter season. The crops grown in winter season are called Rabi crops. They are usually sown in October or November. When they are going to sow, this is the sowing time. Because sowing time of seeds. Okay. These can be seen in winter season, that is October or November. And next, harvested in the season of harvest in March or April. Means almost the summer season has started. Means almost the summer season. Now we got the main seasons are three. What is the first one? Summer, winter, and the rainy season. Now first for the Kharif season, the crops are started from the rainy season to winter season. Whereas for the Rabi season, crops are grown from winter season to the summer season. Okay. Winter season to the summer season. See what are the timings here? October to November. And what is the use? At the time we are going to sow the seed. And when we are going to harvest those plants? Yes, in the March or April. That is the season for summer. These are the examples. This is about the Rabi season. And what are the examples here? Yes, peas. We can say peas, mustard, and next grams. All these are the examples of a Rabi season. Why they have started in the winter season? Because these types of crops don't need to be extra water. Means water is sufficient in the winter season. There is no need for more water. So we are going to sow in Rabi season. And what are those crops? Peas, mustard, and the grams. Okay, this grams means we are having red gram, green gram, black gram, all these. We can get all the pulses, cereals, grains, mostly in the Rabi season. This is about the Rabi season. But we have started in the winter season. When we are going to harvest? Yes, in the March or April. And what At what season we have started? Winter season. And what time you are going to harvest? In summer season. Okay, some of the plants like zogar. What is the example here? Zogar is the plant which is grown both in the Rabi as Kharif and Rabi. Yes, zogar is a plant which can be grown both in the Kharif season as well as Rabi season. It does not need more water, it does not need heavy water. So that this is a main important plant which can be sown either in the winter season or in the rainy season. We can get harvesting any time. After any 3 to 4 months, we can harvest the crop and we can go for the next. This is about our main seasons. What are the Kharif season, Rabi season, and both the seasons we can say. What are the main seasons for us? Rainy season, winter season, and the next one, summer season. The same way crops are also divided into rainy season, summer season, all these things. Now I am going to show you the pictures of maize. The first one is the maize. Okay, first one is the maize. You can observe the picture how the plant is. There is a distance. Why we have kept the distance between the two plants? Yes, there should not be competition between two plants. Why? For the sunlight, for water, for air. For each and every plant need these three main things to prepare the food. So that we have maintained the gap in that. And what is the main thing which will be sown in the Rabi season? Maize. Maize is the main crop which will be sown in Kharif season. Now we are going to show you the cotton plant. Okay, observe the cotton plant. Yes, in which season it is going to be? Get started cotton plant. Yes, in the Kharif season. This is also a Kharif season plant. But we are having many examples like paddy. Paddy means nothing but rice. Rice can be sown in the maximum in the Kharif season only. We can get. But nowadays we are going to cultivate in all types of seasons. Why? Because we are getting hybrid varieties. We are getting the resistance power for the different seeds. Means hybrid varieties, and we are using what we call pesticides, insecticides to get rid of insects, all these things. So we can cultivate any type of crop in any season. But mostly we can know the traditional method crops of like this: paddy, maize, cotton, soybean, groundnut. Mostly they will be sown in Kharif season because these plants will need more amount of the water. Now we will move to the next picture, that is wheat. You can observe the wheat. Okay, in that picture you can see the grains or the next light amount of a wheat. What is the where you can find the wheat here? Yes, in Rabi season. In Rabi season you find the wheat crop. Okay. Now it is a main thing here which will start in the winter season. Why? Yes, it does not need more water. So these plants can be grown mostly in winter season. Next we will move to the mustard. Mustard plant. You can observe the mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are used in our daily life for cooking. And as well as mustard oil is used for our body as well as head oil, which is having many natural powers for that, particularly mustard. So which season we are going to sow that? Yes, in the Rabi season. What are the crops we are sowing? Yes, peas, mustard, wheat, grams. Or in the grams we can say green gram, black gram, red gram. All these type of grams we can come under Rabi season. And all types of cereals, not only the red gram, green gram. You can say all types of pulses and the cereals which we are using in our daily life will come under Rabi season. Why? Because they does not need more amount of water. Which does not need more amount of water will come under Rabi season. And when they are going to grow? In the winter season. Now mustard is an example of Rabi season. Now we are going to show you a jowar plant. Yes, what is the example I am going to? Jowar plant can be grown both in the Kharif as well as Rabi. Why? It does not need more water. If more water is there, more amount of the grains we can get. If less amount of water is there, less amount of grains or the less amount of jowar is harvested. So that jowar can be cultivated in both the seasons, either of the kharif or rabi. In both seasons, it can be cultivated. Now, now we have discussed about the different types of crops. Okay, I will give you some. Yes. Kharif, rabi, both. Now we are going to discuss the examples. Tell me the examples. Many things it will be started in, yes, it will be started in rainy season. Here, winter, annual. You can say annual. Why I have written here annual? You can cultivate this type of crops like jowar, either in the winter or in the rainy season. Now I am going to go about the examples. Then next one, your current season need more water. And rabi season need less water. And next one, depends. Depends on water availability. Okay, this is the main. First one in the kharif season plants. Kharif season plants need more water, and what about your rabi season need less water. What about the year both means it doesn't depend. It depends on the water limit. If some are having the bore wells, they can get less water. If it is rain, then they will get water. According to the water availability, it depends. There is no need to worry about the both annual crops because it can be grown in any type of condition. Okay, but for particularly kharif as well as rabi, there is some conditions that they need more water, some of them need less water, like that. And what are the examples here we have seen? Yes, cotton, maize, groundnut, paddy. Yes, these are the examples. Cotton plant is the most important plant for us. It is a commercial crop. Why we are saying it as a commercial crop? Means we are getting more amount of money on the particularly cotton plant. Why? Each and every type of dress or each and every person need a cloth or every person need a dress. So where we can get the cotton from the cotton plant. So plants which are useful, more useful for us in our daily life, those will come under commercial. So cotton is a commercial plant, means everyone need the cotton or the dress. What about the food items? Maize is a food, groundnut. Groundnut also you can say commercial plant. Why I am telling commercial? Yeah, because it is also to be used daily now. Means oil. Groundnut, from the groundnut we get oil. Yes, means oil is used by each and every person. So it will come under commercial. Which crops are getting more amount of usage by the people as well as more amount of money we are getting if we are going to sell them. Those type of crops are called as commercial crops. Suppose like red gram, green gram, they can be used once or twice in a week we are using, right? Yes, if red gram is a, when we are going to prepare the only especially on a Wednesday or Thursday, but we cannot eat daily dal, right? Means dal is nothing but the pure cereals. Cereals cannot be commercial. Why? We cannot use daily. But oil we are using daily. What about the cotton? Cotton is also we are using daily. So those type of availability or those type of crops are called as commercial crops. Okay, remaining crops come under normal crops like paddy, maize, all these things. Okay, now coming to the Rabi season. What type of seed we have seen? Yes, grams, peas, mustard, yes, wheat. These are the examples of a Rabi season where they need less amount of water and giving high yield. That means more amount of the food they are going to give. Which plants are getting more amount of the water, sunlight, air, all these things. If they get all sufficient, then they are going to give the more amount of the yield. Yield is nothing but the amount of the crop when we get at the time of harvesting. At the time of harvesting, we are getting one bag of seeds, then it is a less amount. If you are getting 10 bags, it is called as a heavy or it is a more amount of yield. Okay. Now here in the winter season, what type of crops we are going to see? Yes, cereals or grams, all types of grams already you know. Red gram, green gram, black gram, all these things. And peas. Peas is nothing but the, you can see the those are in the hot shape and used for the development of hot also in naturally. And next one is the mustard. It is having two types of things. But it is used as a cooking item daily as well as in the mustard oil can be used for natural therapies like for body massages all these things. Next one is the wheat, which will be grown in rabi season. Next, for the bore means it depends only on water availability and as well as it can be grown annually means overall the year from the January to the December or from the what we say June to March you can say because the timings are different. While from the winter season to summer season we go. Yes, it starts from the June to the March. Next, here what is the main crop here? Zoba. Some of the plants like zoba can be cultivated both in the both the season. Okay. By this we have completed the types of crops. Tomorrow I am going to tell you about the what type of chemicals or what type of materials to require for improvement of rabi crop or the kharif crop. Those are called as a compounds or organic and inorganic substances. We will discuss later. Okay. Try to complete the worksheet regarding what is our topic? Types of crops. You have to complete the worksheet with the help of your textbook. Read the textbook twice and try to answer the worksheet properly. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you, children. Bye.